Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Recent Ielts speaking part 1 question with answer. Public garden and parks. Your first question, would you like to spend time in a park or a public garden? Your answer, yes, I like to spend my evening time in the public garden in my hometown. Your second question, what do you like to do when visiting a park? Your answer, first of all, I like to take a short walk at the walking path, and after that, I like to sit on a bench to rejuvenate my mind. Your third question, how are the parks today different from the days who visited as a kid? Your answer, when I was small, there were no facility at the park like separate walking path, benches for sitting, playing area for children, and many others. On other hands, nowadays above all the facilities are present. Your next question, would you prefer to play in a personal garden or a public garden? Your answer, I prefer to play in a public garden because it is a big and I play various games like football, volleyball, cricket, badminton and many more. Your next question, are the parks important for a city? Your answer, yes, parks are very important in city because after working the whole day, people like to spend some time to regenerate their mind, as well as older people and children also spend their short time there. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.